Hello everyone, my name is Georgie. I hope all of you are doing well, and in this video I'll trade Bitcoin for a week. But before that, I'll explain you what Bitcoin is. For those of you which live in a cave for the last few years, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which allows you to send money from one place to another. That's it, simple as that. At year 2017, Bitcoin reached the all-time high of $20,000 and then dropped down significantly to about 4,000 or something like that. The creator of Bitcoin, people saying it's a Satoshi Nakamoto or something like that, but I don't think so. That's his real name. Bitcoin is limited to 21 million shares, and few of them are already lost probably, because one guy used 10,000 Bitcoins to buy a pizza, which in this day money is probably 100 million for a pizza. About day trading, I'm gonna buy low, sell high. Simple. I'm really thinking to buy and hold for a long period of time is gonna make me more money, but I just decided to give it a go. I will start with $140 and I'll see how much I will be able to make on the end of the week. Actually, 5 days. I'm gonna use Etoro. They don't have a commission. Actually, they have a commission because they sell the Bitcoin of different value, but anyway, it's no commission saying. In this moment, when I'm recording this video, it's 11,762, 61, 61.59, 61.71.
One eternity later.
And let's go through the whole week and see how much money I was able to make. Going for $35 because my credit card was declined. Reason, which I don't know. I'm always paying on time, which you're supposed to do as well. So I bought $35 of Bitcoin at price 9,624, and I sell it at 10,279, which is $2.38 profit. Still not bad. Then I bought again. Actually, I finally deposited $140, and so I bought for $140 at price at 10,355 and 90 pence. 90 cents, sorry, cents, not pence. Oh, this is dollar. And I sell it at 10,748 and 55, which is profit of $5.31. That's Monday. And in total Monday, it's a $7.69. Tuesday, I bought $140 again at price at 10,886 and 35 cents, not pennies, cents. And I sell it at 11,034 and 12, which is a profit $1.90. That's it. Actually, that's the only one trade of the day. The Bitcoin didn't move a lot, and that's it. $1.90. Still something. And then Wednesday, I bought $140 again at price at at 11,072.29, and I sell it at 11,142.54, which is a profit of 89 cents. And then the second trade of the day, I bought for 11,230 and I sold it for 11,234, which is a profit of 6 pence. So Thursday, only one trade this day, because the Bitcoin was moving a lot at all. I bought for 11,050 and I sold it at 11,155.78, which is a profit of $1.38, which is a profit of $1.33. And then Friday, the last day I did trading. So I bought it for 11,233 and I sold it at 11,253, which is a profit of, you ready for it? 25 pence. Yeah, that's it, 25 pence. In the total of the whole week, I'm up 4%, which is $12.12 pence. That's it for 5 days trading, basically 1 or 2 trades a day. It's taking me 2-3 minutes just to press the button like that, press it. I'm considering that's not bad, but of course could be a lot more if the Bitcoin was going up and down. And now the question, is it better to hold it? If I hold it until Friday, actually until today, which is Saturday, I would make, so I made $12.12. If I hold the Bitcoin, I would make around $20 to $25. So it's definitely better to buy it and hold it. That's my opinion, I'm not a professional. We all that said, with my $12.12 profit of this week, that's it. That's the end of the video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. We all that said, see you next time. Bye.